Hi everyone, I'm Massimiliano and this is my Doll.News submission. So if you ever wonder what it's like to be a PhD student in mathematics, well, from today you don't have to. We build a new game where you are a PhD student in mathematics and every decision is yours. But first thing first, how to install the game. You can play at this game on every operating system. For Windows and Mac, the installation is really easy and lightweight. You can just click on the link in the description. This brings you to a Google Drive folder. You download the folder with the name of your operating system and you unzip the folder and double click on the executable file and then this appear. Okay, so this beautiful duck appear on your desktop and this is the starting game. All is good if you can reach here. For Linux is all the same. You download and unzip the folder, then inside the folder you fire an executable file, you make it executable with change mod plus x and then the name of the file, and then you run the file. And before going into the details of the game, I have to thank Ball.new that makes all this possible, and my team composed by Alessandro, Leonardo, and Giorgio. After them, I have also to thank a lot of friends that helped me with new ideas and testing of this game. Some of them are Luca, Mondo, Chiara, and Alice. So if you click on this beautiful duck, okay, the game starts. There are some text here, and there are the decisions that you can take, and you have to take one decision at a time. You start from the PhD application and ends, if you don't lose your mind before, to the thesis dissertation of your PhD. You will explore conferences, paper deadlines, meeting with your supervisor, all the stuffs regarding the academia and much more. Every choice matters, of course, and every path leads you to a deeper and stranger and challenging part of the academia. There are 14 possible endings of your PhD journey, and of course, only few of them are successful. Ending the game is quite easy. Okay, you can just follow the standard path, but there are some strange endings that I challenge you to discover and found. In particular, there is a secret, very secret ending that represents the true mathematical genius. This is really hard to obtain, it's not easy to reach the true math genius in real life. So if you think that you can reach all of these endings, and if you think that you can hand your PhD, please click on the link on description, download the game and play now. Of course, good luck, you will need it.